So today our topic is comparison of auto transformer with two winding transformer. In this first one is kVA rating of auto transformer with two winding transformer of same rating when same amount of material used. The total number of turns on primary side of our transformer is N1. The total number of turns on secondary of our transformer is N2. Okay, this point is represented as A, and this is B, and this is C. Okay, here we are using additive polarity. The current flowing through the primary of the auto transformer is I1. The current flowing through the load is I2. The current flowing from B to C is I2 minus I1 by KCL, by applying KCL. Here current is I1. The voltage appears across AC is V1 minus V2. The turns present in section AC is N1 minus N2. Okay, by following this figure we can indicate current and voltage values in two winding transformer. Here the two windings of two winding transformer having same number of turns, hence input is equal to output. This is represented as A, this is C, this is also C, this is B. Now voltage across AC is V1 minus V2. Current flowing through AC winding is I1. Next, voltage across CB is V2. Current flowing through BC is I2 minus I1, that is I2 minus I1. Here current flowing from B to C, hence current flowing from B to C is I2 minus I1. Here we have observed in primary the current is entering to the winding, but in secondary the current is leaving from winding. Okay, now kVA of auto transformer is kVA of auto transformer is V1 I1 or V2 I2. It is primary side, it is secondary side. Okay, kVA of two winding transformer is equal to primary voltage V1 minus V2, primary current I1 is equal to secondary voltage V2, secondary current I2 minus I1. Here two windings having same number of turns, hence input is equal to output. Input is equal to output. Okay, now divide kVA of two winding transformer with auto transformer. kVA of two winding transformer by kVA of auto transformer is equal. You take either primary side or secondary side. I will take primary side. Then in two winding transformer, primary side kVA is V1 minus V2 into I1 by auto transformer. In auto transformer V1 I1. Here I1 get cancelled, then V1 minus V2 by V1, then separate V1 by V1, V2 by V1. V1 and 1 get cancelled. We know transformation ratio K is equal to V2 by V1. Hence I replace V2 by V1 with K. Now kVA of auto transformer is equal to 1 by 1 minus k into kVA of two winding transformer. From this discussion it is clear kVA of auto transformer is more than the kVA of two winding transformer when same amount of material used. Next one, saving of copper. Weight directly proportional to volume. We know volume equal to length into area. Hence weight directly proportional to length into area. Here length directly proportional to number of tons and area depends on current flowing through the winding. Hence weight directly proportional to product of tons and current. Okay, now first in our transformer, weight of copper in section AC is weight is directly proportional to product of tons and current. Hence tons in AC are N1 minus N2 and current flowing through AC is I1. Then weight of copper in section BC is total tons in BC is R N2 and current flowing through BC is I2 minus I1. Then total weight of copper in auto transformer is equal to N1 minus N2 into I1 plus N2 I2 minus I1. By solving, N1 I1 minus N2 I1 plus N2 I2 minus N2 I1. We know transformation ratio K equal to N2 by N1 equal to I1 by I2. From this N2 I2 equal to N1 I1. By substituting this value in equation, two N1 I1 minus 2 N2 I1. Okay, then in two winding transformer, weight of copper primary side is equal to N1 I1, weight of copper secondary side is equal to N2 I2. Total weight of copper in two winding transformer is equal to N1 I1 plus into I2. Therefore weight of copper in auto transformer divided by weight of copper in two winding transformer is equal to weight of copper means 2 N1 I1 minus 2 N2 I1 divided by N1 I1 plus N2 I2. By transformation ratio we can replace N2 I2 with N1 I1. 2 N1 I1 minus 2 N2 I1 by N1 I1 plus N1 I1, then 2 N1 I1 minus 2 N2 I1 by 2 N1 I1 is equal to, take common 2 I1 N1 minus N2 by 2 N1 I1, 2 I1 2 I1 get cancelled, then N1 by N1 minus N2 by N1 equal to 1 minus, by transformation ratio N2 by N1 is equal to K. Therefore weight of copper in auto transformer is equal to 1 minus K times of weight of copper in two winding transformer. Now saving is equal to weight of copper in auto transformer minus weight of copper in auto transformer. Weight of copper ordinary transformer minus, we know weight of copper in our transformer, 1 minus K into W naught. Then we will get K W naught. From this discussion it is clear, K approaches unity, the saving will increases. Okay.